Hello guys, hi, this is Judy again. Hello. I hope you enjoyed the previous video. Today I'm at a different kitchen. This is the Seoul kitchen. I go back and forth from Seoul and rural area in Korea because Ice Bear has his work in some other place, and that's how it is. And today what I'm gonna cook is the clam soup with clam soup and also roasted salmon and some veggies marinated in soy sauce. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to introduce today's ingredients. So this is the clams, as you can see, salmon, pork, lots of veggies because I love vegetables, soju. I'm not gonna drink this. Actually, this goes with the clams over here, so I'm gonna cook it with soju. Vamos! This is the Manila clams, and I'm going to remove the sediments with the samphire salt. Lots of salt. I'm gonna leave the Manila clams for about 30 minutes. Just rest it so that I remove all the sediments. See you in a bit. While the Manila clams are resting in salt water, I'm going to prepare the vegetable first. This is pork. You just want to make pork mushroom rolls. Just roll it. So one is done. Pork mushroom rolls are ready. Ta-da! Now I'm gonna prepare the green onions. Just cut it half your finger size. Now I'm gonna prepare the big mushrooms. Cut it in large chunks. So like this. Ta-da! Because this is not my usual kitchen, so I have the sauce in this little packaging over here. What I have here is, this is doenjang, this is gochujang, red chili powder, this is sesame oil, Japanese soy sauce, the tsuyu. Last but not least, it's fish sauce. It's the sauces that I use very often. I'm going to put in the soy sauce. 1 spoon, 2 spoons. Put in the tsuyu, the Japanese soy sauce. 1 spoon. Perfect. Some pepper. Some sugar. 1 sugar. Done for the sauce. As for the salmon, I'm just gonna do pepper, this sapphire salt. You wanna do the other side as well too. Some olive oil. The other side too, some olive oil. I'm gonna put in the veggies as well. The broccoli and the green onions. That's it. It looks really beautiful. It looks very tasty too, actually. So now I'm going to cook the mushroom. Soju. You see the hurricane? We're gonna put about half amount of soju. I'm gonna use this the steak seasoning, I only have this spices at home, so I'm just gonna use this. Some garlic, of course, the green onions. Manila clams are done. Done. Cheers. Oh my god. Red wine. One test. 1, 2. 현지도 우리 파이팅 넘치게. 짜라잔.
파이팅.
어른의 맛이다.
향이 좋네.
난 어른의 맛.
유자차 진짜 맛있다.
딱 맛있어. 뺨.